When it comes to versatile, durable, and high-performance cookware, this fresh Australian Kitchen 12-inch cast iron skillet stands out as an indispensable tool for any cooking enthusiast. Whether you're a home chef looking to elevate your meals, or a camper seeking reliable cookware for outdoor adventures, this skillet delivers exceptional results. In this review, we'll dive deep into what makes this cast iron skillet a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen arsenal. Unparalleled heat retention and distribution. One of the defining qualities of the fresh Australian Kitchen 12-inch cast iron skillet is its unmatched heat retention. Cast iron is renowned for holding and evenly distributing heat, ensuring that your food cooks consistently without hot spots. Whether you're searing a steak to perfection or slow cooking a stew, this skillet delivers professional-grade results. Its 12-inch size is ideal for preparing meals for the whole family, allowing you to cook everything from a hearty breakfast to an elegant dinner in one pan. With this skillet, you can kiss uneven cooking goodbye and embrace perfectly cooked dishes every time. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. Forget the hassle of seasoning cookware before use. The fresh Australian Kitchen skillet comes pre-seasoned, providing a natural non-stick surface right out of the box. This feature saves time and ensures you can start cooking your favorite meals immediately. The pre-seasoning also protects the skillet from rust, making it durable and long-lasting. With proper care, this cast iron skillet can last for generations, becoming a cherished family heirloom passed down through the years. Built for multi-use versatility, what sets this skillet apart is its versatility. It's not just limited to indoor cooking. This cast iron skillet is perfect for outdoor use too. Whether you're camping, grilling, or cooking over an open fire, this skillet can handle it all. It's a go-to choice for preparing cornbread, pies, frittatas, and even grilled vegetables while enjoying nature's beauty. At home, it transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven, giving you flexibility in your cooking techniques. Imagine starting with a stovetop sear and finishing in the oven for restaurant-quality dishes, all with one pan. Designed for durability. Durability is a hallmark of any high-quality cast iron skillet, and the fresh Australian Kitchen skillet is no exception. Its robust construction ensures it can endure years of regular use without compromising performance. While it's pre-seasoned for immediate use, you can re-season it whenever necessary to maintain its superior non-stick surface. For home cooks who value longevity, this skillet offers incredible value, promising to remain a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Comfort meets functionality. Cooking should be enjoyable, not cumbersome. The fresh Australian Kitchen skillet features dual handles for a comfortable and secure grip. The additional support makes it easy to carry, especially when handling heavier dishes or transferring the pan from stovetop to oven. This thoughtful design detail not only enhances safety, but also adds to the overall user experience, making it a pleasure to cook with this skillet. Why it makes the perfect gift. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the aspiring chef or seasoned cook in your life? This well-seasoned cast iron skillet is an excellent choice. Its timeless appeal, versatility, and practicality make it a present that's both functional and delightful. Whether it's for a birthday, housewarming, or holiday, this skillet is bound to impress. How to care for your cast iron skillet? Proper care ensures your fresh Australian Kitchen skillet stays in pristine condition for years. Here are some easy maintenance tips. Hand wash only. Avoid using a dishwasher. Instead, use warm water and a gentle scrubber. Dry immediately. Prevent rust by thoroughly drying the skillet after washing. Re-season regularly. Rub a thin layer of cooking oil over the surface and heat it to maintain its non-stick quality. Avoid soaking. Prolonged exposure to water can compromise the seasoning. These simple steps will keep your skillet performing at its best, ensuring you enjoy its benefits for a lifetime. Conclusion. The fresh Australian Kitchen 12-inch cast iron skillet is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking. Its professional quality, multi-use versatility, and exceptional durability make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're frying, baking, or grilling, this skillet ensures every dish turns out perfectly cooked and delicious. Don't settle for mediocre cookware when you can invest in a skillet that will elevate your cooking experience for years to come. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and discover why this cast iron skillet is the perfect choice for your culinary adventures. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.